Hello and welcome. My name is Sarah and today we are working on the first pattern of my brand new Jade Serenity spa set, the Facial Scrubbies. You can find the written pattern, ad and spam free on my blog and I will add the link below in the description. For this pattern you will need an Aran or worsted weight cotton yarn, a 5mm crochet hook. You can also use a 6mm hook if you would like slightly larger scrubbies. The green scrubby is worked with a 6mm hook and the white scrubby is worked with a 5mm hook, and you can see that the green scrubby is slightly bigger than the white scrubby. You will also need some scissors and a needle to weave in your ends later. To start this pattern we will work a magic ring. If you are not comfortable with working a magic ring, chain 4, make a slip knot into the first chain to form a ring. I'm making a magic ring. To do that I'm wrapping my yarn around my thumb. I believe this is clockwise. I'm securing it with my 2 fingers and then I'm going through this loop, yarn over, pull the loop through and chain 1 to secure this ring. Now we have to work a chain 3. This chain 3 counts as 1/2 double crochet and a chain 1. To work your first half double crochet you will create a yarn over. Make sure to work over both of your yarn tails. Insert your hook through the magic loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over again and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. This creates your first half double crochet. Yarn over again and chain 1. Yarn over, insert your hook through the magic loop, yarn over, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull it through all loops on your hook. You have worked your third half double crochet. Chain 1. Let's work another one. Yarn over, insert your hook through the ring, yarn over, pull it through the ring, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. Chain 1. Repeat these steps until you have 8 half double crochets and 8 chain 1 spaces. By pulling on a little yarn tail you can close your magic ring. To finish this round 1, chain 1, find the second chain, one, two, insert your needle through this chain, pull up a loop and pull it through again to work a slip stitch. For round 2, slip stitch into the first chain 1 space. Chain 2, this counts as your first half double crochet. Work a second half double crochet into the same space. Chain 1 and work 2 more half double crochet into the same chain 1 space. Next, work a front post half double crochet around the half double crochet from the previous round. To do this, yarn over, insert your hook from front to back around the post of the stitch and bring it back to the front. Yarn over and pull the loop back, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. Into the next chain 1 space, work 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and 2 half double crochet to form another petal of this little flower scrubby. Now you will work another front post half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook from front to back around the post of the stitch and bring it back to the front. Yarn over, pull your hook through, yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. Now continue with 2 half double crochets, chain 1, 2 half double crochets in the next chain 1 space. You will work 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and 2 half double crochets in every chain 1 space and 1 front post half double crochet through every half double crochet from the previous round. You will have 8 front post half double crochets and 8 little flower petals at the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, work 1 last front post half double crochet around the chain 2 from round 1 and slip stitch into the second chain to finish your flower scrubby. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I hope you have a lot of fun in creating your own facial scrubbies for your next party. I wish you a very nice day and stay healthy. Until next time, bye.